Today we are going to be talking about the expression, be going to. First of all, we should remember that the structure be going to is normally used to indicate the future in English. We use be going to when we want to talk about future plans and intentions. Be going to can be also used to express future predictions. When it comes to the sentence structure, be going to is always followed by a bare infinitive verb. That means the base form of the verb. Okay, let's look at some examples now. She is going to buy a new car. I am going to clean them later. They are going to fall. Don't forget that the be verb always changes forms depending on the subject. Now, let's go and take a look at what our favorite Bubu and Dudu are up to today.
Approximately 10 hours later.
They are so cute, don't you think? Okay. By now, we all know that the expression be going to can be used to talk about future plans and future predictions. Let's dig a little deeper, one by one. Firstly, future plans. Somebody is going to do something means this person has already decided to do it before the moment of speaking, and intend to do it in the future. About our demonstration, prior to their first interaction, Bubu was already thinking of having a nap. After, she is just letting Dudu know about her decision. At this particular moment, Bubu intends to take a nap in the near future. Let's take a closer look at future predictions now, shall we? When we say something is going to happen, it means we predict that this is going to happen in the future, because the situation now makes us believe so. In our demonstration, Bubu sees dark clouds hanging low in the sky. This makes her believe that it is going to rain very soon. Here we are. Finally, in our last segment, I am going to give you some extra tips. When be going to is used in the past tense, it refers to a plan or prediction that did not happen. For example, we were going to travel by car, but then we decided to go by train instead. I thought it was going to rain, but then the sun came out. That's all for today, you guys. I hope you learned something from this. Let me know by writing down some examples in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. That means a lot to me. Okay, see you in the next episode.